How do you make 4 figures a month doing Amazon's on-site commissions, aka product video reviews? Well, it is quite possible, but the bigger question is, what are you reviewing? If you are reviewing a bunch of things that aren't that important, or for that matter, aren't going to solve people's problems, you may not be getting much leverage. Let me give you an example. Let's say, for instance, somebody is looking for the perfect phone holder for their car. You may be using one already. You look it up online, you notice it's got a lot of great reviews, and it sells a lot of units a month. Maybe you've noticed, hey, it sells 10,000 units a month, and maybe you only see 3 videos on there. Well, this is a good opportunity for you to create a video based on something that you already have that you could possibly sell a lot of based on solving someone's problem. After all, most people that go to Amazon, they're buying, but with the intention of trying to solve something. We want to do it in a way where it's practical, because if you really want to scale, then you want to sell these things on a regular basis. So to get to 4 figures, you can do it one of 2 ways. You can actually sell high-ticket items that have high commissions, or you could sell low-ticket items that have commissions, but you sell a lot of them. So it really depends how you want to do this. Now, I've been doing this for a while now, and I can tell you it is attainable, but you've got to stay focused. Keep your eye on the prize. So start looking around the house. If you're already in the program, start thinking about things like, what kind of problem can I solve with this? What kind of problem can I solve with that? You make videos for it. And listen, if those videos don't take off right away, don't worry. Sometimes it does take time. Then there may be moments where you've created a video where you're not getting any traction at all. You might be saying, well, I created the video, I don't see it in the carousel. Don't worry, move on. The biggest part of this program I've realized is that you have to stay focused on the idea of what's next. Don't hang on to one thing and worry about that one thing. Remember, you don't have full control over it on the back end, so you only have a certain amount of control. All right, so hopefully that's helpful. I did create a program that will help you get further faster in the sense if you're trying to get into the on-site program when it comes to creating product review videos. You can head to the description box to find out more. Once again, I'm here and available to answer questions if you have questions. Remember, guys, if you're looking to get further faster and into a program that will, pay you commissions and pay you commissions daily based on really no techie experience or anything of that sort, this is one of the best ways to do it. All right, guys, see you in the next video.